Welcome to our channel, where we share valuable tips and strategies for achieving a healthy weight and overall well-being. Today we're diving into managing appetite for effective weight loss. Many struggles with controlling their appetite, hindering their weight loss goals. But fear not. We're here to provide 5 practical tips to help suppress your appetite and support your journey toward a healthier you. Importance of managing appetite for weight loss. When it comes to weight loss, managing your appetite plays a crucial role in your success. Our appetite is influenced by numerous factors such as hormones, emotions, and even our environment. By learning to control and suppress our hunger, we can make healthier food choices, consume fewer calories, and shed those extra pounds. It's not just about eating less, but about eating smart and nourishing our bodies with the right foods. Setting the tone. In this video, we'll share practical, easy-to-implement strategies that can help you curb your cravings, reduce mindless snacking, and stay on track with your weight loss journey. We aim to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to make sustainable changes to your eating habits. There are no crash diets or extreme measures here. Just simple, practical tips you can start incorporating into your daily routine immediately. You're not alone if you've been struggling to manage your appetite and control your food intake. Many people face challenges in regulating their hunger cues and making healthy choices. But with the proper guidance and strategies, you can overcome these obstacles and achieve your weight loss goals. Stay tuned as we reveal 5 tips to help you suppress your appetite, boost your metabolism, and support a sustainable approach to healthy weight management. Let's dive in. Understanding appetite. Have you ever wondered why you feel hungry even after a big meal, or why certain foods trigger unstoppable cravings? In this segment, we'll delve into the fascinating world of appetite and how it can impact your weight loss journey. By understanding the factors influencing our hunger cues, you'll be better equipped to make informed choices and take control of your eating habits. Role of hormones in regulating appetite. One of the key players in appetite regulation is our hormones, particularly leptin and ghrelin. Leptin, often called the satiety hormone, signals to our brain when we're full and helps regulate our energy balance. On the other hand, ghrelin, known as the hunger hormone, stimulates appetite and promotes food intake. When these hormones are out of balance, it can lead to overeating, weight gain, and difficulty in managing hunger levels. By understanding how these hormones work, you can implement strategies to support their optimal function and promote healthy appetite control. Connection between emotional eating and appetite control. Emotions play a significant role in our eating habits, often leading to emotional eating. Stress, boredom, sadness, and even happiness can trigger cravings and cause us to turn to food for comfort or distraction. Recognizing and addressing emotional triggers can help you differentiate between true hunger and emotional cravings. Recognizing genuine hunger cues versus cravings. You must tune into your body's signals and distinguish between genuine hunger cues and cravings. True hunger is a physical sensation that builds gradually and is typically satisfied by a balanced meal. Cravings, on the other hand, are often sudden, intense urges for specific foods that may not necessarily provide the nourishment your body needs. By practicing mindful eating, staying hydrated, and listening to your body's cues, you can better respond to your accurate hunger signals and avoid unnecessary snacking or overeating. Stay tuned for practical tips on honing your hunger awareness and making mindful food choices for sustainable weight management. Nutrition and meal planning. Balanced nutrition and strategic meal planning are essential for managing your appetite and achieving sustainable weight loss. In this segment, we'll explore how incorporating nutrient-dense foods and mindful meal preparation can help you suppress your appetite, stay satisfied, and effectively reach your health goals. Importance of balanced nutrition for appetite suppression. A key component of appetite control is consuming a well-rounded diet that provides essential nutrients while promoting satiety. Fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are excellent choices for keeping you full and satisfied longer. Fiber adds bulk to your meals, slows digestion, and helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the likelihood of energy crashes and cravings. By prioritizing fiber-rich options in your diet, you can support healthy digestion, maintain stable energy levels, and curb excessive hunger, creating filling meals with lean proteins and healthy fats. Incorporating lean proteins and healthy fats into your meals is another effective strategy for managing appetite and supporting weight loss. Protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes help build and repair tissues and promote feelings of fullness and satiety. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can enhance the flavor of your meals, increase satisfaction, and aid in nutrient absorption. You can create satisfying dishes that keep you nourished and prevent overeating by including a balance of protein and healthy fats in your meals. Guidance on portion control and mindful eating practices. Portion control and mindful eating are essential for maintaining a healthy relationship with food and managing your appetite effectively. Paying attention to serving sizes, using smaller plates, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues can help prevent overeating and promote mindful consumption. By savoring each bite, chewing slowly, and being present during meals, you can better appreciate the flavors and textures of your food, leading to a more satisfying eating experience. Stay tuned for practical tips on portion control and mindful eating techniques to support your appetite suppression efforts and contribute to your weight loss journey. Physical activity and exercise. Physical activity and exercise must be considered for effective appetite regulation and success. Regular movement supports overall health and plays a significant role in controlling appetite, boosting metabolism, and enhancing weight loss efforts. Let's explore how incorporating various forms of exercise can help you achieve your fitness goals and maintain a healthy balance. Incorporating cardiovascular exercises and strength training to maximize the benefits of physical activity for appetite regulation and weight management. It's essential to include cardiovascular exercises and strength training in your workout routine. Cardiovascular activities like running, cycling, or dancing help elevate your heart rate, burn calories, and improve cardiovascular health. On the other hand, strength training exercises such as weightlifting or bodyweight workouts build muscle mass, increase metabolism, and enhance overall strength. By incorporating both types of exercises into your regimen, you can achieve a well-rounded fitness routine that supports appetite suppression and promotes sustainable weight loss. Benefits of regular movement in reducing cravings and improving metabolism. Regular physical activity burns calories and helps reduce cravings, regulate appetite hormones, and improve metabolic function. Exercise has been shown to increase levels of appetite-regulating hormones, such as peptide YY and GLP-1, which can help control hunger and promote feelings of fullness. Additionally, staying active boosts your metabolism, allowing your body to burn calories and fat, even at rest efficiently. By making exercise a consistent part of your lifestyle, you can experience reduced cravings, improved energy levels, and enhanced weight management results. Ways to stay active throughout the day for better appetite control. Simple strategies like taking short walks during breaks, using stairs instead of elevators, or engaging in active hobbies can help you stay active throughout the day. Breaking up sedentary periods with brief bursts of activity can boost your metabolism, improve circulation, and prevent mindless snacking. Stay tuned for practical tips on incorporating more movement into your daily life and optimizing your appetite for successful weight management. Mindfulness and stress management. Mindfulness and stress management are often underestimated, yet crucial in appetite regulation and weight loss. By cultivating mindfulness and effectively managing stress, you can positively impact your eating behaviors, appetite control, and overall well-being. Let's explore how incorporating mindfulness practices and stress-reducing activities can support your journey towards a healthier relationship with food and sustainable weight management. Techniques for mindful eating and stress reduction. Mindful eating, a practice rooted in mindfulness, involves paying attention to the present moment and being fully aware of your eating experience. Impact of stress on appetite and weight loss efforts. Stress is a common culprit behind overeating, emotional eating, and weight gain. When stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite, particularly for high-calorie comfort foods. Chronic stress can disrupt hunger signals, promote cravings, and hinder our ability to make mindful food choices. Tips for incorporating relaxation practices into daily routines. Incorporating relaxation practices into your daily routines promotes better appetite control and supports weight loss goals. Whether setting aside time for meditation, practicing deep breathing exercises, or engaging in gentle movements like stretching or Tai Chi, finding moments of calm amidst the chaos can help you manage stress and prevent emotional eating episodes. You can support your weight loss efforts and foster a healthier relationship with food by tuning into your body's hunger cues, making mindful food choices, and implementing strategies to suppress cravings. Remember to track your progress, celebrate your successes, and adjust your approach to focus on your goals. Engagement call to action. If you find this video informative and valuable, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on weight management, nutrition, and overall wellness. By joining our community, you'll gain access to expert tips, practical strategies, and motivational support to help you on your path to a healthier happier you. Together, let's embark on this journey towards improved appetite control, sustainable weight loss, and a balanced approach to health and wellness. Thank you for reading, and we look forward to supporting you on your transformative journey ahead.